Hi student, let's begin with new chapter, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. This name you have heard in 9th standard also. You learn coordinate geometry in 9th standard also. Many things ऐसी है जो basic things है that was already introduced to you in 9th standard. I'm just revising it once again and then we'll see what you will learn new and what is new in 10th standard. Like a distance formula is new for you. You will be learning here distance formula, section formula, how to find area of a triangle, midpoint formula, etc. Alright, now in 9th standard you have studied that to locate any position of a point on a plane, on a Cartesian plane, we required a pair of coordinate axes, right? The distance of the point from y axis, जो distance होता है y axis से जो distance होता है, that is known as x coordinate और abscissa. X coordinate को हम और क्या कहते हैं? We also say it as abscissa. And the distance of the point from x axis is called the y coordinate. Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. All right. Now the coordinate of a point on x axis are of the form x, 0 and the point on the y axis पे जो point होता है वो किस फॉर्म में होता है 0, y के फॉर्म में होता है. Now you know what is Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में ये आप 9th में पढ़ चुके हो. I am just revising it once again. This is x axis, horizontal line, and the vertical line is known as y axis, right? And they intersect each other at origin, that is known as origin, represented by O. Then this right hand side is positive coordinates and here it is negative, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. -1, -2, -3, -4. Then here upper 1, 2, 3, 4 and here you have to represent by -1, -2, -3 and so on. Alright, this is positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Suppose if I want to locate a point P and the coordinate of point P suppose is 4, 2. Okay, now you know that this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. ये आप अच्छे से 8th standard से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. तो आपका x coordinate 4 है और y coordinate आपका 2 है. So here you will locate this point P as 4, 2. Alright. Suppose you want to locate point Q. अब आपको point Q भी locate करना है and suppose उसका position है say 1, 3. So x axis is 1 and the y coordinate is 3. So here it is, right? This is point Q. ठीक है. These things you have learned in 8th standard, even in 9th standard to location of these points. If I want to suppose अगर हमें कुछ locate करना है point R और उसके coordinate suppose हम ले लेते हैं -1, -2. Okay, so this is -1 x coordinate और जो y है वो -2 है तो वो यहाँ locate होगा आपका, right? This is point R. Right? The x-axis and y-axis divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts. Each part is known as quadrant. This you all know this. This is quadrant 1. This is second quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. And you know the signs of also these quadrant. This is plus plus. This is minus plus. This is minus minus and this is plus minus. Right? It is just a revision. Then what is new in 10th standard in coordinate geometry? You will learn how to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, how to find, suppose you want to find the distance between say PQ. अब आपको suppose ये PQ का distance निकालना है. This you have not learned in 9th standard which you are going to learn now. So you can find the distance by distance formula. Okay. Now, how to find the distance by distance formula? Before I explain you, before I give you the formula, let me explain you कि where, in which field the coordinate geometry is used. Actually, it is very helpful in the geometry using algebra and using algebra with the help of geometry. Because of this, coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields such as physics, engineering, seismography, art and navigation. Okay, बहुत important chapter है ये. Okay. So let's come back on how to find the distance between the two given points. Suppose अब मुझे distance find करना है P और Q का, तो actually formula है, पहले let me introduce you the formula, distance formula, and then I'll explain you the derivation also. Distance formula, it is, say suppose distance PQ, ये है distance PQ. So under root x2 minus x1, okay, then plus square, whole square करना है, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Now how? So look at this same example जो हमने ऊपर लिया है. सपोज अब हम यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन पे यहाँ ड्रॉ कर देते हैं इस तरीके से. सो अब मुझे डिस्टेंस निकालना है ये P और Q का. So you know that this is 90 degree. So can I apply Pythagoras? Yes, of course yes. How will I find? But for that, suppose ये point अपना है R. I should know RP. I should know QR. Then only I can apply Pythagoras to find PQ, isn't it? How should I get? How can I get RP? So this is full 4 unit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 unit, अब मुझे इतना सिर्फ RP का डिस्टेंस निकालना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम ये 4 यूनिट्स में से 1 को माइनस कर देंगे. तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? 1, 2, 3. So RP is 3 units. And suppose I want to find distance QR. So how I'll get QR? तो ये पूरा जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है वो 3 यूनिट्स का है. बट आई वॉन्ट ओनली QR, इतना ही डिस्टेंस चाहिए. तो हम 3 में से कितने यूनिट्स को माइनस कर देंगे? 2 यूनिट्स. सो 3 minus 2, 1 यूनिट. एंड आई कैन अप्लाई पाइथागोरस. तो पाइथागोरस से ये हो जाएगा PQ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू QR स्क्वायर प्लस RP स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज QR 1 एंड PR इज 3. 1 plus 9, 3 का स्क्वायर 10. सो PQ इज इक्वल टू √10. ये अपना रहा डिस्टेंस आ गया. ओके, लेट्स अप्लाई द सेम थिंग ऑन डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. अभी व्हाट इज x1 एंड व्हाट इज xq. सो जो आपका q कोऑर्डिनेट है, ओके, द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ q इज रिप्रेजेंटेड x1 y1 एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ p इज x2 y2. और इसको x1 y1 और इसको x2 y2 आप ले लेंगे. ठीक है, आपके जो q कोऑर्डिनेट है दिस इज 1,3, दिस इज x1 y1 एंड r आपका जो p कोऑर्डिनेट है इट इज 4,2, दैट इज x2 y2. ऑल राइट, नाउ लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट इट इन द फॉर्मूला. x2, व्हाट इज x2? इट इज 4 माइनस x1, व्हाट इज x1? इट इज 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 इज 2 and y1 is 3. y1 is 3. So it is under root 4 minus 1 is 3 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1 square. That is, what is the square of 3? 9. And what is the square of minus 1? Of course plus 1. So it is √10. So isn't it this distance formula is nothing but ultra-promix level of Pythagoras theorem only. See, ऐसे तो निकाला था ना हमने, 4 में से ही हमने 1 यूनिट माइनस करके RP को कितना निकाला था? 3 निकाला था, वो 3 ही आया आपका. और ये जो QR था, how we calculated QR? This is full 3 minus 2, we got 1. The same thing is here. So it is nothing, distance formula is nothing but what? It is a Pythagoras theorem only. I hope you must have understood the formula. So what is the formula? Very simple formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.